people are so scared of Sadesati. Those 7.5 years where it teaches you all your life lessons, they say. Like, वो एक जो period है, वो सबसे toughest period है. And I know so many people are scared of Sadesati somewhere or the other.
You know, on this, I want to share my personal experience. So, in every birth chart, there are 3 Sadesatis that come into your life.
Yes.
Okay. So, my worst one happened right after I got married. And both my kids were born. And this was in 1995. And that is exactly when I started my spiritual journey also, and self-work journey, healing journey. So I remember one time when, and I always believed in Aham Brahmasmi. And
I
then
am
I
the
would always
creator.
question it, that how can this 7.5 years impact my life? Because immediately when Sadisati started, we completely lost ourselves financially. Like we were really, really somewhere and we came down. My husband went into severe depression. We lost our father-in-law who would take care of the business and everything. So I was left alone with 2 kids. Now we have to take care of the family. I questioned this Sadesati, and at that time, again, they say when the student is ready, the master appears. My guru came into my life. He was an astrologer,
Okay.
right? Pandit Hari Prakash Vashisht. He sat me down and he said, "Beta, ये तुम्हारे 7.5 साल जिंदगी के सबसे अच्छे साल होंगे अगर तुम सिर्फ घर पे बैठ के दाल रोटी खाओ, ज्यादा उछलो मत और सब्र सीख लो और जिम्मेदारी सीख लो."
So fight
Shani,
through
no.
it. Just like,
Not even fight.
just
He
let
didn't
it-
teach me to fight. He said, be.
just be.
He said, तुम कुछ भी करोगे 7.5 साल है. तुम लड़ो या आराम से करो, वो आपकी चॉइस है. I remember those words and I said, अभी 7.5 साल करना ही है तो let's make hay while the sun shines. So I then studied astrology from him. 2 year का course था. My kids were small. So we started focusing on the big things. He also told me one thing, that इस टाइम पे ना बिल्कुल कोई भी, because we are going through financially tough time, लोन वोन मत लेना, because फिर सारी जिंदगी आप पैसा कमाओगे बट यही लोन
You'll keep repaying it.
repaying it.
Yeah, which
So-
does not make sense. Yeah.
It is teaching you to stay humble. It is teaching you to stay grounded. And he also told me that the goal that you want to create, I wanted to heal the world. He said, आपको जो skills चाहिए ना, सबर, responsibility, जिम्मेदारी और एक ठहराव, वो ये 7.5 साल देंगे आपको. So it's going to be a best teacher. And today when I look back, 30 years ahead of that time, I think those were the best years of my life because they made me who I am. Today, no matter what comes in front of me, I don't get scared because you've seen the worst,
No.
right? So I think these moments in life are here to give us resilience, spiritual resilience, mental resilience, emotional resilience. They make you patient. They make you trust that in the darkness there is going to be light.
So I think next time I'm going to my astrologer, I'm going to ask this question that, what are the lessons that I need to learn beforehand of that coming year? I think that's going to change a lot of perspective.
Yeah, and also they say you attract people at your level. So if you have fear, you'll attract an astrologer who'll only give you fear, no?
Yeah.
And he'll say ये कर लो वो कर लो ऐसे हो जाएगा. So
हाँ,
it's
मतलब
important.
remedies जो
Yeah.
छोटे-छोटे remedies है उस पे
See,
ऊपर
remedies work on the Newtonian physics level. They don't change your energy. They make you aware. In the end, there's nothing that can transform you. You have to go inside and clean your kachra.
Yeah.
So these remedies are only good for like the surface level awareness,
Okay.
right? That they bring me down. Like let's say if somebody said, जाके आप दान दे दो, for example. So all these remedies will only make me humble enough so that I can go and see what is inside me.
Yeah.
But they don't change our life. But what has happened is people are stuck in the remedies and they don't want to go inside. That's the problem.
Yeah.
See, Dr. Wayne Dyer, one of my mentors, always said, whether you believe you live in a friendly universe
Or a
or a
hostile
hostile universe,
universe.
either way, you're right because your beliefs create your reality. Okay.
Yeah.
I always believed our universe was friendly because in the Gita also it's written, जो भी होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है.
अच्छे के
तो
लिए.
ये 7.5 भी अच्छे के लिए होगी ना.
हाँ.
Why are we questioning it? When there's someone who's already done it with a higher mind, why should I want to question this? Why can't I just sail through it?